Hey DGTL, and welcome back to our next tutorial on how to make your own website. So I'm just going to hop right in and take a look at making a website and why having a website matters. So we're going to use a free website creator called Weebly, but I did list some other ones that you guys could check out. We're going to talk about how to make it, so choosing a domain name and a theme, and then we're going to get right into actually how to use Weebly, and I'll provide a little resource extra on using Weebly. So now we're right on the homepage for Weebly, and there's a ton of information on different themes, getting started, and kind of what Weebly will offer you once you make that free account, so what you're able to do. I'm going to go ahead and click Start Now to start building a website. That'll bring you to a page where you can make a free account using your name and your last name and your email address. I'm just going to log into my own account for this video so you guys can see. And here we are kind of in the back end of a website, one that I made for school. A cool thing about Weebly is that you can make multiple websites under one free account. So if you want to have one for your portfolio, one for personal blogging, that's totally available, which I think is awesome. And here's the actual back end of my website that I made for school. This back end is awesome because there are a ton of features like changing the text, the color, the layout. So this is what you'll see when you're first getting started. You get to choose what kind of layout you want for your website. And there are so many themes on Weebly, which is one of the reasons why I picked it as the free builder to show you guys. I just think the selection is awesome, and then they're really versatile because you can add tons of different pictures and you can really make it your own, but there is so much to choose from. So you can scroll through these, and then once you've picked one, it'll allow you to start editing and inputting some of your own pictures, or if you like the ones that I provided, you're free to use those too, which is awesome. So I'm just going to scroll through and pick one as an example. I'm going to go ahead with this one. It'll give you a preview of that theme, and then you can go ahead and click the Start Editing button, which will bring you to that back end feature once again. Is it just loading? And this feature is just so awesome because you can really make it your own. So before you get to that, you'll also be able to choose a domain name. So you'll just want to type something that's unique and creative, and they'll let you know which domain names are still free and available for you to use. And here is my website that I ended up creating using Weebly. It was a website for school, but it acts as a great blog. So I was able to post an about page that tells you all about my schooling and my background. I also inserted some pictures of myself that were relevant to my hometown and my school background. And then here's an example of one of my sections that has all my blogs for school. And it was a really great place to store things, look back on what I had done at school, and I also was able to insert pictures, which is awesome. Thank you guys so much for checking out this week's tutorial. It was super fun to make, and it was awesome to give you guys some inspiration in making a blog and how easy you can do it to fill your time while you're at home right now. So I hope you check out Weebly and are able to share some of your art and make a portfolio or just make a blog of stuff that you're interested in right now. I would be super excited to see it. Please share it with me and tag Digital Creator in your creations. And as always, stay creative, guys. Okay, we'll see you next week.